Hi everyone, welcome to the Dhan Academy. Let me, my friends and the faculties share about the features of the academy which makes it unique development institute in the country.
Hi, I'm Manish from Maharashtra. Our day starts with reflection.
Once there was a girl child, 10 years old. She was asking her father that why the rules, regulations are needed for a person to live. The father did not reply that time. He simply smiled and that went on. They both are playing in a ground by floating the kite in the sky. The daughter asked her father that, Dad, the string is holding the kite and it blocks the kite to fly more. So she asked her father to cut the string to make the kite fly freely. The father smiled and cut the string. For sometimes the kite seems flying high, but soon it falls down to the ground. By seeing this, the child becomes sad and disappointed. So now the father is telling that generally we see freedom and regulations are opposite to each other. But the regulations are part of freedom. To enjoy freedom, the regulations are essential. Every day it starts with the reflections of values, virtues, and our own life with the other peer members.
And then we reflect on any one of 18 values evolved by the academy for the student to introspect. This kind of reflection helped me to shape my attitude and work with community better, which I experience firsthand in my field segments. I am sure that this will also help to develop strong conviction to serve community.
Hi, I'm Mayur from Maharashtra. The course has 5 terms with specific focus designed to gradually build and improve attitude, knowledge and the skill of the students. Term 1 has focus of self and basics of development. Term 2 has focus of various development intervention models. Term 3 is focusing on community organization and management. 4th term is focusing on development policies and management. Finally, 5th term is focusing on institution building and leadership.
So we have more than 38 courses, about 38 courses in this 2-year residential program students have to undergo, and we classify these courses into 5 major disciplines. So instead of department elsewhere in the colleges or universities, we call them a discipline. Basics of development, technology of development, management of development, leadership and institution building, communication and development.
These focuses are complemented by the respective fieldworks after each term. Fieldwork segment 1 and 2 focusing on village study and micro research. Development practice segment 1 and 2 is focusing on community organization and project management respectively.
The final year, and we will be sending them to different NGOs across the country as part of institutional pan-India reflective exposure by interacting with the reputed development leaders in the country.
This unique model of classroom segments and fieldwork segments complementing each other helps us to understand the intricate relationship between grassroots micro-realities, including those of villages, rural social change, poverty and livelihoods, and macro-realities including things like government policies, macroeconomics, legal environment and globalization.
Hi, this is Purnajyoti from West Bengal. Academy's unique feature is here practitioners teach and we have case-based pedagogy structures. It is very interactive and informative to learn about various subjects from the practitioners itself who are having practical wisdom inculcated in the theories and the case-based teachings and discussions. So this challenges us to improve our critical thinking process and the games, role plays, the simulated experiences, the intensive lab process, the field visits and The field visits really with discussions, group discussions, which is also imbibed in the pedagogy. It helps to make the learning more interactive. The guest lectures in various fields and the themes which we get here, which are given over the course period, it also helps us to reinforce our understanding about the sector. So the pedagogy of the academy helps us to be more creative, conceptual and critical in thoughts. I could able to see over the terms my solutions and the alternatives I arrive during the discussion are really improving better, and this helps to experience the field realities in the classroom itself.
Hi, I'm Tukmar from Madurai, doing PCM. I belong to lower middle income family, where my father is an electrician, my mother is a housewife. Doing higher studies was not possible for me, but this academy gave me an opportunity for doing master degree, and also my passion to work for the poor community. The fellowship helped me to avoid any kind of loan or financial burdens to me or my family. And this fellowship covers entire 2 years background cost, including the tuition fees, boarding, lodging, field expenses, and other living expenses. This helped me to be morally motivated to serve the community in a committed manner.
Hi friends, I am Aditi Khan from Medinipur, West Bengal. Our academy gives us lot of opportunities to explore and learn about developmental perspective from grassroots level.
Students are sent for fieldwork segment 1. This is usually a 45-day fieldwork where students are exposed to rural community and they stay with the village and they study the village as a whole and its interconnections with perspectives on development. They are learning farm tools in term 1 and implementing these fieldwork segment 1 along with the community participation in the village.
Under this research methods for development, we teach them the methods required for development research. Here, it differs from the conventional research. The way it differs is the community is the center, where the solutions and the problems are evolved from the community to resolve for their satisfaction.
I really enjoyed the experience where I have to stay with the community and do the study. Segment 1 was to study the village in a different perspective like social, economical, ecological and cultural dimensions, etc. And second one was the study on the specific research topic. I studied the financial inclusion related to credit, savings, pension and financial linkage related to the bank facility. Both the studies were really an eye-opener and helped me to shape my belief and value system to work with the community.
Hi, this is Marzina Maner from Maharashtra. Let me share about development practice segment.
I am Shanti Maduresan, faculty, handling building people organization for development. Working with the community is not so easy. So for that purpose only this course is designed. This course mainly equipping the students to promoting, strengthening, managing and sustain the people organization for long run. After the course, our students will do the development practice segment in the field for 10 weeks.
Like fieldwork segment, but the focus is on organizing the community.
During the process, students, whatever they learn from the classroom segment, they will apply in the field. So they will use different kind of methodologies and strategies to promote 5 to 10 different kind of groups like women groups, farmers groups, adolescent girls groups. So like that they will promote.
Previous one I have went to South Solapur, Solapur district, Maharashtra, where I formed 6 groups with 81 adolescent girls.
They will come out with a rich experience, with good attitude and people-focused skills.
This given me hands-on experience and self-confidence to organize community into people organization.
Hi, I am Tejaswi. Let me share about development practice segment 2. It focuses on analytical research project planning and management. For DPS 2, my study was on understanding different models of inland fisheries in Mandla district and to provide a better sustainable plan to scale up. I did my DPS 2 project in Foundation for Ecological Security. There, I was able to apply project planning concepts and to provide community-based plans, and was also able to document their traditional practices of fisheries. Even though it was my fourth field experience, it was new and has enriched my knowledge. I was able to practice the management and planning tools shared in classroom segments. Thank you.
India is known for its spiritual yogic practice. Yoga gives us relief from countless ailments at both physical and psychological level. It brings harmony and peace in everyone's life. Keeping the importance of yoga in mind, academic integrated the yoga into curriculum and made it necessary practice of the 2 years experience. Personally, this helped me to concentrate more, improve my work, and groomed me into serve the community in more thoughtful manner.
Hi, I am Akram. I am from Maharashtra. For our recreation, Academy has the facility to play both indoor and outdoor games like cricket, volleyball, carom and chess. We also conduct sports weeks once a year. Academy also encourages to do Shramadana activities like cleaning the campus, fashion and kitchen garden activities. We also do activity-based teaching for the kids in the nearby villages. Last month, I have participated in the cleaning one-year irrigation tank in Madurai city. Academy provides space for the students to do voluntary activities in their free time.
Dahan Academy organizes unique events such as Heritage, Budget Watch, Tiruvallur Day, Ethnic Dinner, and added value to Independence and Republic Days, promoting culture and grassroots to macro perspectives of development among the students. Let us hear from my friends about each event.
Let me tell you about the heritage event. This event is about celebrating the tradition and culture of the village. Last year we celebrated the 9th edition of heritage event and it was held in nearby Solamata village. How TDA made this event unique is that it is a student-centric one and it gives a real-life experience for the students to organize the event, from mobilization of student and fund, facilitating the events and inviting the guests. Everything is being done by the students.
One of the key events organized by the Academy is the annual Budget Watch and Dialogue with the development perspective.
And the Dahan Academy had organized a Budget Watch, which it has been doing for the last several years.
This event is conducted to learn about the macro perspective of the country's economy, policy and development as a whole.
The students took a presentation to the participants, gave them an understanding of what are the various constituents of the Indian budget, what are the various sectors, what allocations are there.
Many colleges in and around Madurai participate and deliberate the issues, doubts and the opinions on the budget with the sector experts and the grassroots leaders.
Tiruvallur Day symbolically marks the foundation day of the Dahan Academy. As Academy founded on principle of Saint Tiruvallur, learn well, live the learning. Tamil Nadu celebrates Tiruvallur Day along with the Pongal festival. Academy also celebrates on the same day by conducting various competitions for school students in and around Academy, like Tirukural recital, poem and essay writing, painting, all focusing on the Tirukural.
Culture is something that keeps you connected with yourself and your values. Ethnic dinner are cultural events by the student preparing native delicacies and wearing traditional dresses of different states. It's all about feeling home.
Every institute celebrates Independence and Republic Day. But how our Academy added value in that is,
After cultural events such as March Past, singing patriotic songs in our own state languages, and discussion on country's development. Then we go to nearby village and participate in their Gram Sabha meeting. We learn how the grassroots level democracy works, their issues, challenges, and how they overcoming it.
Every event of TDA has its own uniqueness.
All these events helps us to improve our organizing and management skills for conducting trainings, awareness programs and workshops for the community and the sector in the future.
The Academy offers 100% placement for all the successful candidates in reputed NGOs. As per the design of the program, a student completes 2 years of studies at the Academy followed by 3 years of development work in NGOs. Hence, these 5 years helps in shaping the attitude, skill and knowledge, thereby transforming the students into development professionals. Many of our students who became development professionals are today transformational leaders. And this is how the Academy contributes towards professionalizing development work and the NGO sector.
Hi friends, I am Saswatik. Let me share something about our campus.
Dawn Academy is having a beautiful campus of 50 acres in Madurai district.
Our campus is 25 km away from the Madurai city in the foothills of the Nagamalai Hills in Melakkal village. It have a very unique Chettinad architecture. We have a very good hostel facilities with the mess and we have a gallery type classroom which provides a interactive learning experience. The library have a huge collection of books and different national and international journals of the all branches of development, and the collection is increasing each year. Make the campus more green, we have 2D water system which basically recycle the used water to reuse for the garden. The campus is designed in such a way that it adds values to our learning process and 2 years experience of staying in the campus.
To change the lives of others, this is the place they can have a unique experience. Come to home away from home to a beautiful campus.
Hope everyone get to know about our academy and its unique features such as where the practitioners teach and the case-based pedagogy.
Value-based morning reflection.
Classroom segments covering grassroots to macro perspective of development.
Field segment for understanding village and micro research. Development practice segment for organizing community and management related projects.
100% fellowship for all selected candidates.
Integration of yoga into curriculum.
Ramadana and volunteer activities in our free time.
Unique learning ambience.
Various student-centric events.
All these features makes our academy and one-of-a-kind institute in our country.
Do you want to work for the downtrodden people?
Are you interested to equip yourself to bring changes in the life of poor?
Are you ready to bring down inequalities in the society?
If yes, then embark on a journey with the Dhan Academy.
It is not just education, it is the way of life.